Hello, everyone. As we age, one of the biggest concerns becomes digestion. Even those who once ate anything without issue often find themselves saying, "This gives me indigestion," or "That doesn't sit right," in their 60s or 70s. But here's an important fact. Statistics show that 73% of Koreans over 65 experience digestive issues. And it's not just about age. Do you know what changes in our bodies as we get older? Stomach acid production drops by over 40% compared to our 30s. Stomach muscle contractions weaken, and saliva production falls to half its youthful levels. These are the reasons digestion gets tougher. But don't give up. The right food choices can address many of these problems. So, let's dive into digestive-friendly foods perfect for seniors. First up, porridge. You probably know white porridge, pumpkin. Porridge or abalone porridge are good options. But here's a special tip: soak the rice for 30 minutes before cooking. Start on high heat and, once it begins to bubble, lower to a simmer, stirring gently. This boosts digestibility to an impressive 95%. But hold on, don't rely on porridge alone. It could lead to nutritional imbalance. That's why I recommend steamed eggs as a special addition. There's a trick to making them too. Use 2 eggs with an equal amount of water or broth, then strain it through a sieve. This creates a silky, highly digestible steamed egg with a 98% protein absorption rate. Now let's talk vegetables. Many seniors say, "Vegetables are too tough for me." But change the cooking method and it's a game changer. Lightly blanch leafy greens like spinach or lettuce. Simmer radishes or carrots. Thoroughly cooked carrots increase beta-carotene absorption 5 times, more than raw ones. Here's a bonus tip. Don't eat tomatoes raw, cook them lightly. This multiplies lycopene, an antioxidant, by 4. Try tomato egg drop soup or tomato stew. They're excellent choices. What about fruits? Opt for soft ones like bananas, peaches, or melons. Bananas are rich in pectin, which supports gut health. But avoid eating them too cold. Let them sit at room temperature for better digestion. Now let's cover protein. Many seniors struggle with meat, but protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass. Chicken thighs are softer than breast meat. Simmer them long to extract a digestible broth. For fish, go for white fish like cod, croaker, or flounder. They're tender and easy to digest. Tofu is another great protein source. Enjoy it in soft tofu stew, braised tofu, or tofu pancakes. But here's a standout dish: seaweed soup, with a twist. Soak the seaweed in cold water for over 30 minutes. Sauté it in sesame oil, add water, and finish with beaten eggs. What's the secret? Alginic acid in seaweed protects the stomach lining and aids digestion, while iodine boosts metabolism. A doctor once marveled at a 90-year-old patient whose stomach, seen on an endoscopy, looked like that of someone in their early 70s thanks to 50 years of daily seaweed soup. Let's move to digestive drinks. Barley tea is a staple, but try deotic tea or plum tea too. Plum tea stimulates digestive enzymes, making it great post-meal. Ginger tea is another winner. Its gingerol activates stomach movement, but brew it mild, not too spicy. But beware of foods to avoid: cold dishes, greasy or spicy salty foods, alcohol, smoking, carbonated drinks, and high caffeine coffee can strain the stomach. Eating habits matter too. Chew thoroughly at least 30 times per bite. Avoid drinking too much water during meals to prevent diluting stomach acid. Stick to regular meal times. Never overeat. Stop when you feel full. As they say, moderation is the secret to longevity. One final tip: don't lie down right after eating. Sit or take a light walk for at least 2 hours. Gravity helps digestion. Even trying just one of these tips will make a difference in your digestion. Wishing you a happy, healthy senior life with these meals. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. I'll bring more useful tips in the next video. Thank you.